Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you are all doing well. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you will never miss an upload. And to my existing subscribers, thank you for your constant support. In today's video, I'll be teaching you how to cut a Basque Corset Top Back with a stylish yoke. Here is the paper that I'm going to use. I'm going to mark 1 inch zipper allowance. I'm going to mark a straight line. If you have not yet watched the front pattern of it, I'm going to drop the link below for you to watch so that you understand what you're doing. Now I'm going to mark the vertical line from shoulder to the chest line. That is 9 inches. Bust point of 11 inches. Then I will mark the length of the blouse, so that is 17 inches. Mark a straight line across it. I'm going to take my bust span. So the bust span we are using is 4 inches. The bust span is 8 inches, so we are going to divide it by 2, so that's 4 inches. I'm going to mark straight line down. I'm going to mark 0.5 on both sides here. Then I'm going to connect the 0.5 straight down to the chest line. So I'm going to connect the other side as well. I'm going to mark my shoulder line. So the shoulder line we are working with is 8 inches. And I will mark my 3 inches for the neck width. Then neck depth of 2 inches. I will come down to the shoulder line. Then I will mark 1 inch for the shoulder slope. I will connect the shoulder slope to the neck width of 3 inches. Connect it to the neck depth of 2 inches. When done that, next thing is to mark my armhole, which is 8 inches. So what I will do is just to mark a straight line down to the chest line. I'm going to look for the midpoint. I'll mark the midpoint of 4 inches. At the chest line, let me name it chest line, bust point. Next thing is to mark my bust at the chest line. So 38 divided by 4, that is 9.5. Mark a straight line to meet at the 9.5. Then I will connect the armhole. This is the back armhole. What we are going to do next is to take the horizontal measurement. So the bust measurement, we've already taken that. Then I will come to the under bust. The under bust is 8.5. Then the waistline, 39 divided by 4, that is 9.75. So I will mark my 9.75 here. I'm going to mark the 1 inch. For the dart taking, 1 inch. Then I'm going to mark 1 inch for the sewing allowance. I'm going to take the same measurement here, 1 inch for the sewing allowance. Now our blouse is ready. So I'm going to connect it. I'm going to mark a straight line. Now I'm going to come down from the neck depth. I'll come down by 1 inch. So I will connect it from here, from the 1 inch down to meet with the chest line. So remember I marked 1 inch for the shoulder slope. So I'm going to divide it into 2 and I will connect it to meet with the neck width of 3 inches. Now our back part is ready. So what we are going to do right now is to cut it out. So if you have not watched the first part of it, I will drop the link below for you to watch. Before I cut, I'm going to mark 0.5 inch here to eliminate the zipper bulge. Now we are going to cut it out. I'm done with it. And take it to the neck depth. You can see how beautiful it is. So if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe. And don't forget to turn on your notification bell for you to be notified whenever I upload a new video so that you won't miss out. Till I see you in my next video. Bye.